Hi, my name is John Kelly, and I'm a truck accident attorney based in Phoenix, Arizona. I handle truck accidents wherever they may be, and I want to talk to you today about truck accidents owned vehicles that are owned by governments. So we often find in a truck accident that the owner of the truck was a government entity. It could be a city, it could be a state, it could be owned by the local municipality. So we always look at those cases very specifically because they make the case unique in several ways. One of the ways is that oftentimes bringing a lawsuit against a government company or the government requires certain legal hurdles that we have to do. And one of them in Arizona, where I primarily practice, although I handle cases in other states, and usually I'm teaming up with other lawyers because these are multi-state accidents often because it crosses state lines. But when I do handle Arizona, there's Arizona Department of Transportation, for instance. We have specific rules that we have to follow to make a claim against the government, and that's a notice of claim. The bottom line is there's additional paperwork that needs to be filed early on in these cases to make sure we're preserving your claim. There's always statute of limitations. If you have a statute of limitations that's shorter, meaning the amount of time you have to bring a claim, that is typically a situation where there was a government claim involved. So if you've been injured in a truck accident and you think that truck might be tied to the city, if it was a dump truck, if it was a trash vehicle, or maybe it was just a pickup truck that had government identification on it, you have some urgency there to reach out to an attorney who's going to look into why that occurred, but more importantly, initially look at what government entity we may have to make a claim against to make sure that we're following the laws correctly to preserve your claim. If you have an accident and you were involved in a truck accident that was owned by a government, please give us a call and we can take a look at it right away. The number is 602-283-4122.